Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a topic that hits close to home, discovering the most affordable chimney cleaning near you. Stick around for some straightforward tips. Before we jump into the budget-friendly stuff, let's quickly talk about why chimney cleaning is a big deal. It's not just about keeping things tidy. It's about making sure your home is safe. Clean chimneys mean proper ventilation, less risk of fires, and a fireplace that lasts longer. Let's get into it. Now, let's break down why chimney cleaning costs can vary. Understanding these factors will help you make smart choices when searching for the most affordable option. Number 1. Chimney size and fancy features. If your chimney is big or has lots of fancy bits, it might take more effort to clean, which can affect the cost. Number 2. How often you clean. Regular chimney cleaning costs less than dealing with a chimney that's been neglected for a while. It's like giving your chimney a little love more often. Number 3. Where you live. Prices can be different depending on where you live. Busy areas might have higher prices than quieter ones. Number 4. Extra services. Some cleaners offer extras like checks or repairs. These add-ons can bump up the total cost. Now, the juicy stuff. How to find the most affordable chimney cleaning near you without sacrificing quality. Let's break it down. Number 1. Ask around. Talk to friends, family, or neighbors. They might know an affordable chimney cleaner. Word of mouth is a powerful tool. Number 2. Read reviews. Check online reviews to see what others say about chimney cleaners in your area. Look for good prices and quality service. Number 3. Get multiple quotes. Don't settle for the first quote. Get estimates from a few cleaners to compare prices and what they offer. Number 4. Hunt for deals. Keep an eye out for special deals or discounts. Some cleaners offer these at certain times of the year. Number 5. Check certifications. Make sure your cleaner is certified and knows their stuff. Safety is key, even when looking for an affordable option. Number 6. Group deals. See if you can get a group deal if others in your area need chimney cleaning. It's a win-win for everyone. Number 7. Prep work. Bossy basic cleaning before the cleaner arrives. Clear away mess and get your fireplace ready. It might make the job quicker, which can lower the cost. Number 8. Bargain a bit. If the cost feels too high, don't be afraid to negotiate. Some cleaners might adjust their prices, especially if you're a loyal customer or if you bundle services. So, there you have it. Limpia Family, a guide to discovering the most affordable chimney cleaning near you with ease. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot between cost and quality. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button. And if you want more cleaning tips, subscribe. Until next time, happy cleaning.